Here are epic quotes from powerful people that will change your mind. If you're new on this channel, smash the subscribe button for 24 hours of luck. Let's do it.
The measure of a man is what he does with power. Nearly all men can stand adversity, but if you want to test a man's character, give him power. Knowledge is power. The greatest power is often simple patience. The most common way people give up their power is by thinking they don't have any. Power is the ability to do good things for others. Power is not the ability to exert your will over another person. It's the ability to exert your will over yourself. The power of imagination makes us infinite. Power is not a means, it is an end. One does not establish a dictatorship in order to safeguard a revolution. One makes the revolution in order to establish the dictatorship. The world is full of magical things, patiently waiting for our wits to grow sharper. Power is like being a lady. If you have to tell people you are, you aren't. The strong have power, but the wise have influence. Real power is the power to empower others. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation that is to come. Power is not about making yourself heard. It's about listening to others and amplifying their voices. Power is not about the ability to control others, but about the capacity to control ourselves. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. The harder the conflict, the greater the triumph. Change is the law of life, and those who look only to the past or present are certain to miss the future. Power without a nation's confidence is nothing. Change is a continuous challenge we all face in leadership. The harder I work, the more luck I seem to have. I not only use all the brains that I have, but all that I can borrow. Do what you can, with what you have, where you are. The harder I work, the more I live. We are at our best when we're all moving in the same direction. Don't tell me what you value, show me your budget, and I'll tell you what you value. Our future cannot depend on the government alone. The ultimate solutions lie in the attitudes and the actions of the American people. We have the power to make the world we seek, but only if we have the courage to make a new beginning, keeping in mind what has been written. It's time for America to get up. It's time to regain our sense of unity and purpose. It's time for us to start building the future. Nobody should pin their hopes on a miracle. It is extremely dangerous to encourage people to see themselves as exceptional, whatever the motivation. The weak are beaten, the strong survive, and the powerful thrive. The path towards a free society has not been simple. There are tragic and glorious pages in our history.
Wow, you made it to the end of this video. Which of these quotes do you find more inspiring? Let us know at the comment section below.
Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, and I will love to hear from you on the comments section below. You can also check our next video.